Greetings, builder. Management has authorized me to inform you that your current construction methodology is inefficient. Embarrassingly so. But don't worry, we have a solution. DeanamicMatter is standing by. Introducing BlueprintMod. Copy a selection, paste it somewhere else, do it again, and again, and again, and again, and whoops, got a little excited there. This technology is approved for regular structures, IC-10 systems, modular console systems, and rocketry systems. You may call it cheating. Management calls this productivity. Here's how it works. You select two corners of a box around whatever you built. Press scan. Your entire construction, walls, pipes, machines, cables, the embarrassingly named airlock you called Gary, all of it, captured. Then you walk somewhere else and press paste. Your build appears structure by structure. Just like that. Management says you do not deserve this. But here it is anyway. Now, you may ask yourself how to actually use this new technology. Lie back. Relax. It's easy. To copy a blueprint, you need to obtain the DBCU motherboard and insert it into a computer. Using a laptop is recommended. Turn the computer on. Purple guidelines will appear. These mark the blueprinting area and can be adjusted with the on-screen controls. Move to the area you want to blueprint. You can also press the N key on your keyboard to engage lock and nudge mode, which allows you to precisely adjust the selected area. Once you have selected the desired area, hit scan. A purple animation will sweep the area. Once finished, you can save, share and check your blueprint. Speaking of that, blueprints are saved as XML files. You can share them, upload them to the workshop, back them up, reuse them across worlds, or hoard them obsessively and show no one. Management does not judge. Management has done the same. When it comes to actually using a blueprint, the steps are equally simple. You also need to obtain a motherboard, the DBPU, and insert it into a computer. Again, using a laptop is recommended. Turn the computer on. If you copied a blueprint in the current session, it will automatically get loaded. You can also load a blueprint by selecting one from the drop-down. When placing a blueprint using a laptop, precision mode automatically engages. In this mode, you can steer the paste location using your crosshair freely in a 15-cell radius around you. Just like the DBCU, the DBPU also allows you to engage lock and nudge mode where you can fine-tune the pasting area. You can also rotate the blueprint around its own axis. When pasting, structures materialize. Beautiful. Management recommends reading the guide in the Stationpedia. Management also knows you won't. Pasting costs DeanamicMatter, a programmable metamaterial originally reverse-engineered from alien artifacts. Acquired, under disputed circumstances, by EXMIN. It glows, and rotates. It also may judge your builds. The cost is tiered, because fairness is a concept management occasionally respects. Bulk and structural infrastructure, 0.1 to 0.3 grams. Electrical devices, 0.7 to 1 gram. Batteries, generators, machines and endgame tech, up to 7 grams. Everything else, 0.5. Undo is available. 20 levels per session. If you paste a reactor room directly onto your oxygen supply, and management has seen this happen, you may undo it. Your DeanamicMatter will be fully refunded. The oxygen situation is your own problem. DeanamicMatter can be obtained in different ways. While you may simply use your autolathe, management recommends mastering the furnace recipes. Some are efficient in resource usage, some are easy to make. Never both. Fun, right? There is also a Deanamic Core with currently unknown usage. Some say it enhances work safety. There appears to be a trapped individual named Dean inside. Management has reviewed the situation and determined it is fine. Carry on. BlueprintMod, created by Jackson the Disaster, or whatever his name was. Because building the same contraption 30 times is a choice. Management strongly advises against choices. This has been an authorized transmission. Consume the DeanamicMatter. Harvest responsibly. Consult a doctor. Management out.